The Internet. It connects us across continents. How does it actually work? Let's embark on a journey to unveil its mysteries. Imagine a bustling city pulsating with energy. Instead of concrete and steel, it's built on a complex web of cables, satellites, and radio waves. Data flows like traffic, constantly moving from one point to another. Servers store and process information. Routers act as traffic signals, directing data along the fastest routes. Understanding this intricate dance between the physical and the digital is key to unraveling the magic of the Internet. Beneath this digital city lies a fundamental language binary code. Every piece of information is translated into this binary language. These zeros and ones represent electrical pulses, carrying information at lightning speed. Think of the Internet as a giant postal system. Information travels in digital envelopes called packets. When you send an email, it's broken down into countless packets. Each packet is stamped with an address, telling it where to go. These packets navigate the digital city, taking different paths depending on traffic and network conditions. No matter the path, they all arrive at their destination. There, they are reassembled to form the original email. But how do these packets know where to go? That's where headers come in. Headers contain crucial information: the sender's address, the recipient's address, and the order in which the packets should be reassembled. This intricate system ensures that information is delivered quickly and efficiently. We often associate the Internet with physical wires and cables. But there's another hero at play: radio waves. These invisible waves bridge the gap between our devices and the vast network. Think of radio waves as ripples in a pond. Antennas pick up the signals and convert them back into digital information. Wi-Fi relies heavily on radio waves. Our devices receive these waves and decode the information. This invisible dance allows us to browse the web from our couches. The Internet isn't confined to national borders. Undersea cables crisscross the ocean floor, carrying vast amounts of data at incredible speeds. On land, data travels through a network of fiber optic cables. These cables connect homes, businesses, and data centers. Data centers act as the storage and processing hubs of the Internet. This complex web allows information to flow seamlessly across borders. It's a testament to human ingenuity, connecting the world in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. Imagine sending a letter across the world. You wouldn't send the entire letter as one giant piece of paper. Instead, you might break it down into smaller, more manageable pages. This is how data travels on the Internet. It's broken down into packets. These packets are labeled with addresses, known as IP addresses. When they reach their destination, they're reassembled in the correct order. It's like putting together a jigsaw puzzle, with each packet forming a piece of the final picture. The Internet has become an indispensable part of our lives. It has transformed the way we communicate, learn, work, and play. From instant messaging to video conferencing, the Internet has broken down geographical barriers. We use it to access information from every corner of the globe. The Internet has democratized knowledge and opportunity. Understanding how this invisible network operates allows us to appreciate its complexity and marvel at its transformative power. Stay tuned.